minute, now I'm back with the jump off.
Oh, welcome back, y'all. Yes, I've been gone for a minute. I'm back with the jump off. Feels so good to have a fresh face and back with the makeup reviews. On this pretty day outside, let's mix the hydrating with the Pro Matte because I feel in my heart of hearts this is going to give me a bomb ass, flawless ass coverage. So my base of the day, my face is clean. I have my vitamin C serum on. So Fenty has 3 new primers out. There's a silky. You have the original Pro Matte. You have the soft mattifying, the regular Pro filter, and you have a soft silky. Y'all, all of them felt really good. I couldn't decide which one to use. So being that we over here just mixing things out, let's use all of them. And that's exactly what I did. So going into the face, the Hydrating Formula Foundation, I have in the shade 410, which is my shade in the matte, okay? So the matte, I know how it works, but I'm one of these combo skin. It depends on what I am. It depends on what I wake up. Some days I'm drier, some days I'm more hydrated, and I have to go with that. You know, I wish I had just like this one skin type, and I know this one is going to work for me, but no, I have to mix a lot. So it didn't bother me to mix this because I think she's going to give me something I can feel. And I slept on this idea. I'm like, I feel like it'll be good for my skin. I feel like I'll like it. So far, the blend of them both goes on flawless. Nothing's sticky. Nothing's tacky. I'm going to link my original Pro Matte review. I think that's about 2 years ago now. I'm going to link that, okay? But by now, we all know what she does. She was a banger, except to the people with dry skin. Here is why the hydrating formulation was made. Combination of both, I'm still looking dewy and I'm dewy. The main ingredients in the Pro Filter was water and dimethicone and trimethicone, which is going to dry down and leave you matte. Now in the hydrating, you have water and you have talc. So the talc is going to matte it a little bit, but I find that what's interesting is one of the ingredients in the hydrating is grapeseed oil. Now I am one of these people that I love grapeseed oil even for cooking. So you are going to stay hydrated versus getting matte. Now it's not a super active ingredient, but it's in there, and it's what's going to cause that luster to the skin. So my dry girl skins, this is for you. Combo oily, I think we can go either way the wind blow us, but again, I just want to try this combination. So I'm going to throw in some concealer and I'm going to go in with the Fenty powder and honey. By the time I set with 400 and use the honey powder, that is just the way I like to look. I do not like to be stark white under my eyes. You know, I can't express to y'all my age, but those lighter powders and piling on all that concealer, the more concealer you get, the more you're going to crease and the more cakier you're going to get. So what I did is very minimal, and I just here under the eye, not in my smile line. I don't know how people put concealer all the way up in their nose, honey, but that is a no for me. So on the flat side of the sponge, I have the honey powder. And I'm just going to dab and soak up and press, and y'all, press the powder in. So the Fenty Beauty, the powder to me, it says a setting powder. So I don't know how some people correlate that, but in my eye, if it's a setting powder, it didn't say bake. It didn't say baking set powder. So I saw some people had a lot of problems with the powder. It was getting cakey. It was breaking up, in my opinion. They were using too much. So on a damp sponge and pushing it in just like this, it is set and melted into my skin just how I like. There's absolutely nothing I have to dust away, and that's what I like. Work, y'all. So what I'm going to do is we're going to check in throughout the day to see how I'm looking, how I'm wearing with this concoction. She's gonna be a banger. I think I'm just happy to be back in front of the damn camera, y'all. But let me get ready for work, and I'll see y'all later tonight. It is it's 11 a.m. so I'll probably wash my face about 8 o'clock. It's 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is gonna be a perfect 9-hour day. Let's get it. Oh my god, y'all, it is 7:35 p.m. I'm kind of like low-key embarrassed. Okay, so let me tell y'all what just happened, right? I kind of got like a low-key date night going out there. I cooked dinner, so I went to sit down and eat, and I'm like, so I jumped up because the juice what I cooked, I had to dab my mouth, and I was like, I got on foundation. So now he's looking like, what are you doing? I was like, I gotta go do something, which is film the ending of this video. Okay, y'all, so this beat is built for a boss. We're gonna call this a boss because baby, I was beat all day. Again, this breakdown came from like just dab my mouth, but coming in closer, even my under eye, my watery inner corners, all that is doing okay. I knew when I said film this concoction in my sleep that it was gonna be a success. I just like the way I feel and how I looked all day, y'all. I got hella compliments. So it's 7:30. I think I started this at 9:30. So what I like to do, or what I used to do and I need to continue to do, is to give the pat test. Sometimes as makeup congeal, it could wipe away, and some of it stays in place. So I want to give the good old pat test with my beauty blender, beauty sponge that's now dry, and let's just see. So this is some good old Garnier hydrating facial mist, and then if I pat, yes, see, it takes it right back down to that natural finish. I am in love. Now, I am nowhere saying I'm going to travel with a Garnier spray. Then again, you know what? I might, because these come in trial sizes, and guess who got coupons from CVS? Me. Overall, y'all, I like the beat, the highlight, everything stayed placed. So if you have not got your hands on any of the foundations by Fenty, what are y'all waiting on? Even if you get it doing Sephora VIP, girl, go get that, because you can't go wrong with that. And like I said, let your primer do the work. If you're oily, go for the matte primer. If you're combo, go for the silky, and vice versa, and just get on in there and do the thing. So I gotta go back to my date, y'all, but this is how I'm looking, and I'm sure he's out there like, is she talking to herself? I'll explain later like how YouTube works, because he don't know nothing about that. See y'all next video.